Hello and welcome to Diorama Texturing Tutorial. During this video we will show you an easy way to finish a diorama base using authentic earth and pebbles mix. We lay the groundwork of our base. We are using VMS Smart Mud XL modeling clay. Please note, this video was shot some time ago and current formulation of Smart Mud XL has a darker tone than this. We test fit our model and make a light imprint. We wet spare tracks with universal weathering carrier, light type, and press them into the base to create proper imprints. If you don't have spare tracks, simply use your model tracks. Now we mold the terrain using fingers to make the ruts look interesting. After 24 hours our terrain is dry and looks like this. Please note, this video was shot some time ago and current formulation of Smart Mud XL has a darker tone than this. We will lighten the tone during next step. We apply a quick layer of VMS Pigment Jockey No. 2, Brown Earth, over our terrain. To create our texture, we will be using VMS Diorama Texture No. 1, Brown Earth and Pebbles. We will affix the texturing material using VMS Sand and Ballast Freeze. First we need to apply the cement over the base, using a flat brush. Next we apply the texturing material like so. Now we saturate the texturing material with VMS Sand and Ballast Freeze to make it adhere well to our base. Using hairdryer we apply heat for 1 minute and leave the texture to dry naturally overnight so that the natural color is back. The 24 hours are up, let's compare bare and textured sections of our base. Let's repeat the process for the rest of the base. We apply the adhesive. Next we apply the texture. Finally we saturate the texture with adhesive. The 24 hours are up. Let's compare bare and textured sections of our base. Let's add some variation to our base. We will sprinkle some VMS diorama texture number 8, fine gray earth, over the base along our brown earth. We saturate the earth with VMS sand and ballast freeze. The terrain is now dry. Look how interesting it looks after applying the gray earth. Using VMS alkyd binders, wet effects, we will create some damp earth effects to make our track imprints stand out. Once dry, this effect will have satin finish, but if you would like it to glisten like it does when it's fresh, simply apply a second layer of pure alkyd binders wet effects the next day. Now for the fun part, we are affixing some grass tufts to our ready base. VMS diorama textures harmonize perfectly with any foliage you throw at your diorama. We are finished. Let's have a look at our base. This concludes our tutorial. Thanks a lot for watching. Hope you enjoyed it and see you next time.